In the earlier video, we saw how to show up where people are searching for us, and that's how we get to the clients who are searching for our services. If we do not get visibility, then we do not get clients. If we get the visibility, then that's how we get our prospective clients, and that is how we get our YouTube subscribers as well, and for that matter, Instagram followers as well. This logic works everywhere, and if you haven't seen that video till now, I'll link to that in the description below. And furthering that concept, I will teach you today how to rank higher amongst your competitors using the right YouTube keywords, using a keyword finding tool such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ. In this particular video, I'll be using vidIQ, and I would suggest that you watch this video till the end because this is going to be quite a technical one. Although it's not going to be that tough to implement once you see it one or two times, and it'll be sufficient for getting a lot more views than the rest of your competitors. So without wasting any further time, I'll get right onto the screen. So this is vidIQ. It's a keyword research tool. Now there are various other keyword research tools which are just like vidIQ, like TubeBuddy or Ahrefs for that matter. So you can use whichever one which you have subscribed for. There is no one YouTube keyword tool which is better than the others, despite what their particular YouTube marketing team are saying. Each YouTube marketing keyword tool is good. No one is better or no one is bad. So without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. So I get a keyword, related keywords list, and an overview which is there, and a couple of matching terms and questions as well. So again, you will get the same panel in the upper panel as well: overview, related keywords, matching terms, and questions. And this is the same for each and every question which you will search for anyways. So I'll get into the related keywords list because this is the place from where you will select the tags. And once you do that, you will see a list of keywords which are there, and it will show you the number of words, the competition, the search volume, and the related score. And I'll explain you exactly what each means. So for example, search volume is the approximate number of searches it got last month, not this month. This is just saying that what it got last month. No one can predict what is going to happen right now. No one can predict the future. So basically competition again is on a scale of 1 to 100, how much of competition is going to be there for this particular keyword company registration in India. So for example, if it is being marked as 32.6, it is going to be relatively easier to rank for this particular keyword on YouTube. And again, the number of words is 4, so it's a long tail keyword, so it's going to be that much more easier to rank. But again, it might be showing an overall score as well, which is an indication of what it might be for SEO purposes for your channel. Again, I have chosen my YouTube channel, so again the score will be on the basis of this. For example, if you make your own particular vidIQ channel or TubeBuddy channel, the score will be computed in accordance to your particular YouTube channel, which will be a law firm and not a digital marketing company. So again, this 56 may become 86. So again, company registration in India is that's the seed keyword. A seed keyword is something from which the rest of the keywords will come out. So the rest of the keywords are how to register a company in India. Again, a very long tail keyword. The search volume is actually higher for this one, and the competition is very low, and it's 31.9. The overall score is 60. Again, the overall score is something which we should not get into because this is not for the relevant YouTube channel. Related score is 4.9. In relation to what, you will ask me. Now these relation scores are in relation to the seed keyword, which is company registration. So company registration is related by 7.8 the times, 5.6. So as you go down in descending order, they are placed. So the last one is business registration, Telugu. So it's very irrelevant to the search which we placed, company registration in India. So that's for a very niche target, and again, it's not really talking about how to register your company. It might be for FSSAI licenses, it can be for a shop registration act or whatever. So again, you have to choose your keywords wisely. If I just blindly copy all the keywords and I say that I'm going to use them and I'm going to score 100 on 100, that is not how it works. So again, that's why I said it's a very fine art. You have to perfect this art over a span of 50 to 100 videos, and over time you will understand which keywords work for you and which ones don't for your channel. So let's say, for example, if I choose company registration in India, company registration again is a very long tail keyword, but again they're saying if the competition is low, so I will go ahead and choose that. How to register a company in India, documents for company registration. If let's say you are talking about documents, then only select documents for company registration in India, otherwise don't do it. Otherwise the YouTube search will downgrade your video, and if let's say you're talking about it and then you're using this tag, then it will promote this video. It's very simple. Choose your keywords very wisely. Private limited company is irrelevant because again, what is private limited company as a tag? We do not know what they're talking about. Are they talking about registration? Are they talking about winding up of a company? We do not know anything after seeing the tag private limited company. So it can mean 1,000 things. So therefore, we will skip this. Private limited company registration. So this one is a better one, even if the related score is lower, and the search volume is lower. But I feel that this can do a whole lot better than private limited company without the word registrations. I feel this particular keyword is actually better vis-a-vis private limited companies because it explains exactly what is going to be there in the video. So for that reason, I'm saying that you should always choose something which is going to be relevant to the video. It's like a broken record, but actually it's very important. If you do not play according to what the circumstances are, if you do not choose the tags which are there in your video, you're going the wrong way. So company registration documents, again, like I said, if the documents are being spoken about in the video, you can go ahead and choose that. And limited liability partnership, etc. Again, this falls into the same trap as private limited company. It doesn't tell us whether we're talking about registrations or winding up. So again, skip it. Business ideas, completely irrelevant. Company registration process, fine. You can choose that. Company incorporation, choose that. Company incorporation procedure, anything which is relevant for your category, you can choose that. Business registrations is different than a company registration because a business registration has a host of other registrations, like for example, like I said, food licenses or shop registrations, or any other kind of registrations which are relevant for your particular industry. So we don't want to get into this because this again will place us in a different niche. Micro niching is very important for the purposes of getting organic views, and therefore we will skip this. How to register your business in India? Again, irrelevant. Private limited company registration, again, selected if it is private limited company. If it is some other OPC company, one-person company, then we will not be selecting this. Startup company registration kaise kare? Again, this keyword is a must. If you are speaking in Hindi, you can select that. Since, let's say, I am assuming that the video is in English, therefore I will not select this particular keyword. Company registration fees in India. If you have spoken about the fees part, then you can select this keyword. So you get the idea. There'll be hundreds of other keywords which are going to be just like this, and you have to select exactly the keywords which you know are going to be relevant for your video. And again, I'll quickly tell you what is meant by those keywords which are in dashes. You will see that all these videos have low, very low, then medium competition, very high competition, but then there are some which have dashes there as well. So what does this dash mean? This dash means that there is no competition for this keyword. So this is actually a gold mine for you to rank in this particular video, for this particular video idea. Let's say, for example, if we talk about shop license in India. Now, if you make a video on this topic, you will automatically rank number 1 today itself. So just imagine the kind of opportunities which are there on YouTube and people don't even know about it. So if you carefully see the kind of topics which are there on the keyword ideas page, you will know exactly what your video is going to be about. Again, you can choose your keywords first and you can make the videos later. And in most cases, we know exactly what we are going to talk about, so it's not a problem when we select the keywords as well. The difference is going to be quite less. It's going to be something like 80 to 90%. If let's say you select the keywords later, definitely it's going to be better. But if let's say you have a dearth of time, then you can first select the keyword, then you can make the video to make your job easier. So again, this is how you select the keywords. Related scores, again, this is a parameter which shows exactly how different the other keyword is from your seed keyword. This is the seed keyword and these are the rest of the keywords. These are the keywords which germinated from the seed keyword, right? And then the search volume, the kind of searches it got last month. And then this is the competition it is getting right now. The dashes mean no competition at all, and that is where your opportunity lies. So this is how you select the keywords for your particular YouTube video and how you get to number 1 in the YouTube ranking page. And I hope you get a lot of value from this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to learn more from me about law firm marketing in the coming days. So without any further ado, I will take your leave and I will meet you very soon.